What's going on, everybody? Troy here, Troy's Hobbies on YouTube, Pinoy Troy on Instagram. We are in Wilbur. This is where I live. Well, outskirts of Wilbur I live. This is Tom's Boats. Their information will be down below. Let's see if we can get an interview. Check out the shop where they sell boats and sheds. Tom was kind enough to give me permission. Right now they don't have a lot of inventory, but here's a beautiful Aloha. Tom's boatshop.com is where you want to go. Take a look at that beautiful color. So if you're looking for an Aloha, this is a Paradise Series. Triple axle. Beautiful paint job. I love the paint colors. You can stand on the top, slide, Mercury powered. Nice, comfortable ladder. That is nice. Here's a black and white one. Love the slide. Merc power. Of course, these are all triple tunes. Like I said, Tom's information will be down below. There's the trailer brand. And they sell sheds. So if you're in the Lincoln County, Spokane, West Plains, west of Spokane, and you're looking for a specific type of shed, he also, nowadays you got to have more than one business. So they have boats and sheds, especially we live out here in the country. People need sheds for storage, for whatever. Beautiful. So if you ask, maybe you need a trailer, they got trailers. And we'll also check out the sheds. So there's his website. Hopefully you can see that, tomsboatshop.com, and the address will be down below. I think that one's a consignment. They also do consignment. But look at this. Isn't this eye-catching? Yellow, that yellow and the black. Speakers. Beautiful cover. Mercury 4-stroke. Beautiful, love it. But we are here in beautiful Wilbur, Washington, west of Spokane. All right, we're gonna head over, take a look at the their sheds. So if you need sheds and you're in the area, we should have started over there. Take a look at this one. They got roll-up garage doors, barn door style. Love the classic red and white look. This one I think has a roll-up, yeah. So you can, same thing, contact them through the boating website. If you're into DIY, or you can create this into a cabin, create it into a, I assume you could, with the right permits, create a tiny house. Let's go back over here. I like this little porch. Whew. L-shaped porch. Is it open? It's open. Oh, this is nice. Imagine this in a tiny home, tiny cabin, whatever you want to call it. Put some storage on top, put some insulation, get some wiring in here. If you got a hunting, maybe some land, put this on. The imagination can go wild with this, folks. Just love this little porch area. I love to listen to the rain. Of course, not getting wet, just sit out here. Listen to the rain. Let's check this one out, see if it's just a regular. Once again, this is Wilbur, Washington. We're a small town with big hearts. I assume if you're looking for a quest, I got a feeling that's a consignment. Yeah, this one's a smaller one. Oh, that one has a side door. Barn doors, okay. I like the color though. If you're looking for a coffee, J&A Coffee. In fact, I just grabbed a Kona coffee over there. And don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and pass this video on to your friends and family. I'd appreciate it. These are, by the way, Old Hickory sheds, the brand. Here's a basic, like a, this would be nice for, you know, if you got a, I could use one for my riding mower. I just have no more room. This one looks like a longer one. Yeah, same inside. Here's that patio, that L-shaped porch again that I like. Metal roofs. I'm trying to find out how much it's going to cost to remove the asphalt off my house and swap it out. It ain't going to be cheap, probably about 20 grand to get a metal roof on my house. So it's expensive up front. But I think in the long term, it'll be a good investment. Let's go ahead and go down here, and then we're going to end this video. This is just a walkthrough of tomsboatshop.com. Hand built in Washington State. And I assume you can probably custom order. Like I said, give Tom a call. Love these different colors. This one has a window. One little window makes a big difference. Then you can add your windows if you need more. That's that roll up. We never checked this one out. Gray and black, liking the colors. Ooh, cross breeze. That is nice. That is nice. $20% off this building, folks. There you go. Woo! Windows are closed, so it's a little warm in there. We're going to go through all of these that are in stock. Price sheet, they have everything. So you can come on down here and take a look and know the price. I think we got 2 left, and that's the end of the video. Yeah. First thing is electrical insulation. Even if you just need space or a man or woman cave away from the house to get away from the rest of the family, you know what I mean? Oh, this one has shelving. On sale, look at that. $5,348. This one's on sale. Lifetime warranty. Wow. So, lifetime warranty against termite damage and fungal decay on all pressure treated materials, including pressure treated skids, floor joists on all models, and optional pressure treated 5/5/8 T1 through 11 siding. Here's a little, if you got a yard and you need a little area to hang out, this is nice. That is nice seating. Put a table right here. if you got a big yard. Okay, we got 2 more. Oh, I like that one. This one might have yellow jackets in it. I see them. I see them. This one has the side entry. All right, one more, folks, and then we're gonna head out. Once again, this is tomsboatshop.com. The information on there, the phone number, you can reach out to them. I'll post it down below. Where's the door? Last one, folks. Hit that like, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. On sale, $59, $17.50, $5,917.50. Well, that's it, folks. I am hot. Hit that like, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.